Mode of action of these fungi. First of all, spore entry into the cuticle, then germination, tube formation, then entry into the cuticle, then hyphal bodies develop, then divided into hyphae with through the body. Then after 7 to 10 days, most of the insect can be death of the insect. This is the common method for mode of action of these fungi. These are the mode of action of fungi. Then these are the target pest for different fungi like Beauria bassiana. It is also known as white muscarding. That is controlled to the leaf folder, white grubs, and hoppers. Many hoppers is also there, grasshopper hoppers. That is also controlled by Beauria bassiana. That is locust also controlled by this Beauria bassiana. Then Metarhizium anisopeli, it is also known as green muscarding. That is also controlled to the grasshopper, rhinoceros beetle. That is the major problem. They can easily control by this. Then Nomularia really is this is also another fungi that is also controlled to the Helicoverpa armigera, then Spodoptera, Tobacco caterpillar, then Pelusia, Trichopelusia, that easily controlled by this Nomularia. Then Hirsutella thompi is another fungi that can be controlled. Eriophyte mite, that is also another not a insect, that is another class arachnida, that is also controlled by these fungi. Then Verticillium leacheli, that easily controlled to the many type of aphids like mustard aphid, cabbage aphid. Then many scales also we have also studied in date palm scale, that is also good for this. Now Verticillium leacheli is a good control to this scale insect in date palm. Then Pachyllomyces species also controlled to the white fly. Then Fusarium is species also controlled to the this eriophyte mite in coconut. Coconut in southern India, that is eriophyte mite is the major problem, so can be easily controlled by the Fusarium. You see, these are the target paste and use for liquid. You can use Metarhizium anisopeli, and it is used up to 6 months after uh, the expiry date of this. And there you see the condition of this insect. That white is all are this na greenish, and this disease occurring on the body of the insect. This is also another picture of the symptoms of this fungi. Then another is also Beauria bassiana, that is green racer, that is made by this green bite company, and is also good management for whitefly, mealybug, aphid, thrips, Lepidoptera, insect in northeast India. And is also easily controlled to applicable for the botany guard is a common name that can be controlled. And you see the beetle condition of this beetle that easily controlled by this green racer. This is the trade name of this Beauria bassiana. This is the another picture for controlling. You see the condition of this insect easily controlled by this Beauria bassiana. Then another, that is also Lepidopteran pest, also can be easily controlled by this green racer. Then another Verticillium leacheli, that is a common name or trade name is green mealy kill. That is also developed by this green biotech, and it is easily controlled by the sucking pest like aphid, thrips, mealybugs, whitefly, scale insect. And the dose of also given in this different type of dose you can use per acre for the control of these pests in many crops. Then another, you see the picture of this infected insect by this green milkweed. Then another is virus. Virus also measure controlling to the this most of the insect, and the disease causing by this virus. This is known as tree top disease. You see the condition of this larvae. Most of the larvae, that tree top means they going to the upper side on top of the any branch, then opposite side. This is the main symptoms of this most of the virus. So these are the many type of virus, NPV, CPV, that can easily control, and most of the dosage can be used around 250 LE to 500 LE for most Helicoverpa, Armigera, then other Spodoptera. And these are the virus structure, different type of structure is there. Then This is the nuclear Helicoverpa armigera and NPV. It is most and best effective for the this Helicoverpa armigera. We have also used in during PhD program at Udaipur. That is also good for this in chickpea and most of the leguminous crop. This is good for controlling to this Helicoverpa armigera. The dosage used around 250 LE to 500 LE larval equivalent for per hectare for this controlling Helicoverpa armigera. So this is the picture of this NPV and symptoms. The another is granulosa RSS also you control to the this, but the character or symptoms of this GV virus is different and mode of action also different. You see the condition of this larvae that easily controlled by the, this GV. Then another is nematode, also major diversity in this Northeast India, and then different type of nematodes is found. But we have studied only this plant parasitic nematode. If you go to the living this nematode diversity, that is the around 10% comes under this plant parasitic nematode, and other is freshwater, marine, and animal parasites. In this entomopathogen, two species is the major, that is Strenonema and Heterorhabdis. Two species of this nematode that is also good control to the most of the insect like white grub and other insects. But in this require the bacteria, that is Genorhabdis and Photorhabdis, two species of bacteria associated with this nematode. So this is the common how to EPN work. Start from the first of all infective larvae, see host into the soil, then entry nematode release into the Genorhabdis and Photorhabdis bacteria which secrete toxin that kill to the host, then produce and feed upon the host while undergoing several life cycle. Then third stage goes to the most of the kill to the insect. This is the common how to work this the entomopathogenic nematode. Now, this is also symptoms of this, how to control the most of the insect through this nematode. Color also changes by this different type of nematode, different color is also occurring. Then these are the association between this bacteria and this nematode. Then you see the efficacy more than 90% insect dependent file life cycle in soil, and they easily control most of the that is occurring in soil that easily controlled by this EPN nematode or other nematodes. You see the most of the white grubs that groundnut white grub that easily controlled by this EPN nematode. Also, this cockroach also can be controlled by this EPN. So these are the related work. These are the some in a market that is available for controlling to most of the insect pests. So another is how many pesticide work started in India and other countries. You see, first measure of the started in 2000 to 2006 as because in previously there is no any biopesticide research is done, but recently after 2000 that easily regularly increase. You see the ICR and SAE most of the work on this biopesticide, different type of pesticide and different type of companies also there on working on biopesticide, Super Agro, AgroLife, International Panacona. These are the some companies that working on the biopesticide. Then these are the microbial pesticide used in India to control to the many disease and many pests. These are the common that you have found. So another we have also most of the work, but this is my work. We have taken the patent for the through biopesticide means one plant is there in Tumba in Rajasthan that is a botanical pesticide and is easily controlled to the Helicoverpa armigera and fruit fly. You see the condition that is only within 2 to 3 days they easily control. Also, aphid also can be controlled by this Tharjavik 41 EC is there, their common name. That is easily controlled to the 2-3 pests that we have already studied and applied for patent. Then these are the some student related work, books and bulletin. These are the publication. Thank you. Any question?
Thank you, Dr. Haldar.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you for your nice presentation. You have almost covered all the biocontrol agents.
Yeah,
So,
sir.
do anyone want to interact with the speaker?
Actually, sir, most of my work on host plant resistance and other identification of pest. But in this area, last 1 year we have starting this work.
Okay, then if there is no interaction,